Sharp FS up. Let's look at silver. And silver is forming series of double structure at the moment, and that might uh, that might mean a foolish upswing. So these are zone or buy and sell zone. So if price enters inside that box and we move it a sell trigger, and if price enters inside the bottom, it's a buy trigger. So it's very clear. You can see that silver is going up, and we have another structure to contend with. And by close of Friday, this level is being contested. Now, the buy confirmation will be on complete breakout of this ascending trend line. You know, the market broke out from it. Now we want a situation whereby price returns back to a buying floor, because this is actually a buying floor. The market will always, in fact, it's a sentiment thing that those who are buying agree with each other that they will buy, and those who are selling are agreeing with each other they are selling. This is just how this thing works. This is how trading metals work. This is how it works from my strategy. So you see, market create a W structure here and bought, and create an M structure and sold, and another triple M structure, triple top, continue bearish drop, another double top, another double top, another double top. So what we're saying in essence that now price came down here, W structure, here double top, here double top, upswing, here a W structure, and technically the neckline has been tested. It's broken the neckline, and we tested it. So let's look at it critically. Let's get this thing going. It's too messy. There's nothing that spoils the mind of a trader like too many lines in a chart. If it's possible to maintain only one line. So let's try to stop all these too many lines in there. So we have price updating here, W structure. These are demand structures, and this is a W structure, and we have a breakout from another structure daily. So a breakout from this structure on daily further affirms the strength of the touch of this impulse leg from the bottom, but it has to face the ascending trend line. Buyers will have to face the ascending trend line as their new litmus test. They have to prove that they can break the structure, and they have done the first layer of defense, and it's remaining the ascending trend line, which by close of Friday showed a significant rejection, just like gold did. Gold rejected to 2,697, same way as silver. But however, it's difficult to have silver rallying and without seeing gold rallying. So sometimes you can use silver price action to trade gold price action. Sometimes, not always. So what we see here now is price have formed a W structure, and from the side of gold, gold has maintained the 65, 64 level. Buyers rejected it. They didn't want that. They cannot tolerate seeing that level go down. The same way you see here, after so many consolidation on daily, and they are finally broken from that structure, and you see that buyers have hit this level after price breakout from this structure, which is technically the neckline of this W structure. If you look at it, this is the neckline of the W structure. Because we are in daily, we look at it. They have broken it. So they have broken the neckline of the and they remain on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on 5 days, and while they keep being rejected by the roof. So if you can be patient, allow price, allow price because there is a very strong price action at this line. You have here as a demand floor, have here as a demand floor and price test. So you want to see price break. You want to see a clear breakout. If you see a clear breakout, then wait for it to return so that you can go high. So most likely silver might be heading to more than 36 dollars. It's very, very much possible. Very, very, very much possible for silver. It's very much possible. But if he cannot and he rejects this level again, because this is a very strong price action, if he rejects it again and manages to break this structure, then the W structure becomes a fake W structure where you see price now begin to tank in line with the descending trend line. You have a descending trend line in this month and it's been respected. So we want to see it happen that way. So if it rejects it again and come down, this should most likely be what we will get. Then we look at economic calendars to see other economic dockets and to see what lies ahead. So this is what we see. So if he fails there again, if he fails there and comes below this line again, then start changing your mind from buying to selling, because if it comes back, a broken demand floor will become a supply route, ultimately challenging this structure. Where I think that this floor might be broken, or it might push up again from that level in a bid to break the ascending supply trend line. So what we see is price break of this, if cannot break this level, come down here. But I think gold, silver is bullish. Silver is bullish. So we are bullish on silver. So one more thing we'll do is to be patient to see if price, because already the week closed by rejecting this level. This is an ascending trend line. The ascending trend line have a very strong price action, form the W structure here, and form the double structure here, and price have moved. And I believe price might be heading to do the same thing after we have a W structure here that short price to the roof, and we have another structure that took price to the roof, and this might as well take price again to the roof for silver WFS hub. So